Hello everybody, as you can see it's cold, winter, it's January 2023 and I went back down to Italy to show you guys what's going on here in the off-season, how they are preparing for next year. And we are in Alfonsina, near Ravenna, at the team, Turbo 2000, at Gianluigi Baroncini. And they said they want to show us some stuff about what they are going to do this winter, and let's have a look inside. So Gianluigi has an agricultural repair shop. They are fixing tractors. As I said, this is heavy agricultural area. So this is where they make their money. Challenger tracked machine here. One of the bigger Deutz. 38-inch tires in the front. Yep. Busy working. A little machine shop here. And here in the back they are in the tractor pulling department. This is an Allison team. So here we have Mirko.
Hello.
Mirko is going to tell us some things, I guess.
Speak with Luigi.
I speak with Luigi. When I speak with Luigi, you are only the mechanic. The problem is if Luigi speaks, then he speaks Italian. But we can translate. Okay. Hello there.
Hello. Ciao.
Ciao.
Quando hai iniziato, cosa fai?
Io ho iniziato nel 2022, nel 2002, con un motore da camion, un 6 cilindri, un Iveco. Nel 2003 gli ho messo 3 turbine, poi ho abbandonato quel progetto lì e poi ho comprato un motore Rolls Royce da Peter de Reg in Olanda.
So, let me drop in. So you first start with a truck engine, a 6-cylinder,
Yeah.
then an 8-cylinder?
6-cylinder.
6-cylinder.
Iveco A42.
Yeah.
And we used the siege engine for a few years with the configuration of 3 turbo. And in the 2024 we have bought a Rolls-Royce Griffon engine from Green Spirit team.
Yeah.
And we have changed the engine on the tractor with a Rolls-Royce.
Okay, and then you went Griffon, I remember
Yes.
that, yes. But we have no Griffons here, we have Allison.
No.
So how did it go on? So
After the 2024 we use the Griffon engine for a few years with the old chassis of Blue Tornado. And in the 2006 we have changed the chassis with the old Green Spirit chassis, and we make a new tractor, the Blue Tornado 2.
Okay.
Sì, dopo io ho corso in Italia con Rolls Royce, e poi dopo il progetto pian piano è stato abbandonato per andare verso gli Allison. Inizialmente siamo andati e abbiamo comprato 2 motori del Green Monster Team che ci hanno aiutato, ci hanno supportato, ci hanno insegnato come fare, e poi abbiamo acquistato un telaio da Forpool Motorsport in America e poi sono stati montati sti motori. Nel frattempo abbiamo comprato il terzo motore da Money Pit, sempre in America, e poi abbiamo debuttato nel 2008.
L'ultima gara.
Nel 2008.
L'ultima gara.
Del 2008 l'ultima gara, sempre classe di Parma.
In the 2006 we have run with the Blue Tornado 2 for 2 years, and in the early 2008 we have decided to invest in another tractor with a 3 Allison engine, and we have studied for a chassis for the engine, and we have bought a Q engine from Green Monster team in January and 1 engine from Money Pit pulling team in the USA. And after a lot of discussion we have bought chassis from Forpool Motorsport in the USA, and after 1 year of work, every night, every day to work, the tractor is ready for the last pull of the 2008 season in Champagne Classe di Parma.
Okay.
And
then-
we have win the race with only 2 engine in function.
Okay, so we have a full pole chassis with Allison engines.
This is an Allison engine come from the aircraft of the Second World War. It's a V12 engine, and we use original blower with a methanol injection from Waterman pump and the airborne component. The plant is a 2-stage.
Questi sono dei motori Allison della seconda guerra mondiale, nati a benzina, sono stati trasformati completamente da alcol puro, cioè metanolo. Abbiamo messo delle accensioni elettroniche, abbiamo modificato le carotte, tutti gli impianti e così abbiamo tolto anche l'impianto di raffreddamento dell'acqua, raffreddamento aria.
So, supercharger.
With the fuel, with the methanol fuel, I don't need the water cooling for the engine, and we have removed all components to make a more lighter engine. And we use a custom-made piston, custom-made valve, intake manifold is custom-made.
Abbiamo frizioni molinari ogni motore, campane Browell in alluminio. L'accoppiatore è stato costruito completamente qui in Italia. Abbiamo una trasmissione che fa da 1 a 2,5, quindi noi abbiamo un albero di entrata nel differenziale 10.000 giri. Poi abbiamo riduttori Franklin, che adesso li stiamo modificando, e abbiamo le centraline lì che adesso le abbiamo mandate a far revisionare. Abbiamo 3 MSD8.
We use a Molinari clutch with homemade crossbox studied and made in Italy from a company near here. The crossbox is 1:2.5 ratio. When the main shaft to the transmission make around 10,000 RPM, and we use a Rockwheel rear end differential with Franklin 3 gears
Planetaries.
planetaries.
Yep.
In this place we use the MSD8 ignition with a 16-volt battery, lithium.
It's not there.
Not there because it's shipped in the
Service.
USA to the reload
Yeah.
for the next season. And use a Braille battery 16-volt lithium to make more wake on the tractor.
Queste sono le bielle originali dell'Allison. Adesso stiamo studiando per farle un po' più robuste perché ci sono dei problemi che si avvitano. Queste qui lavorano così, una dentro l'altra. Poi abbiamo sostituito i pistoni con i pistoni Aries. Poi abbiamo tornito noi col tornio, li abbiamo modificati un attimo per avere una compressione più adeguata per quello che stiamo facendo.
This is the original rod of Allison engine. Is one particular of this rod is the blade rod work inside the fork rod, and we study to make more stronger this component because in past we have a problem of bending and broken. And we have find a few solutions we tested in the next year. And this is one of our piston made from Arias. Is more height of original piston to make more compression on engine, and more lightner of the original piston to make more RPM and more power.
Qui stiamo preparando 2 turbo, uno destro e uno sinistro, per ricambio, che se dovesse capitare eventuali problemi ne abbiamo 2 già pronti. Questo qui ha già avuto un incidente, ha avuto dei problemi e quindi stiamo preparando in futuro se per caso ha dei problemi.
This is the original blower of Allison engine. We preparing another Q blower for spare parts for the next season, one left and one right. And this blower is crashed a few years ago, and we have repaired and make a new gear and a new solution inside. And our idea is make another Q engine for spare parts.
Okay. So next year you're going to drive Eurocup, or
Yeah.
what's the plan? So
No, dopo diversi anni che non siamo andati più all'estero, adesso sembra che ci sia la possibilità e avremo piacere di riuscire a fare l'Eurocup, trasporti permettendo, perché abbiamo un po' problemi di trasporti qui in Italia.
okay, this is the top engine that goes there. So we have clutch. Well, this is what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 disc clutch, 4 disc 11-inch clutch. The way they work is they are going closed with RPM. So these weights, when this thing spins, turn out and press this plate towards the crankshaft, and they close this package here and fetch this. And you adjust them with the number of weights, the geometry of the arms here, and the distance in those stands. Yep. So then here we have the brake calipers that go on the big tractor. Everything in winter service.
Yeah.
Getting ready for a busy season.
Yeah, for the next season.
Yeah.
We have checked the brake caliper. We have overhauled the clutch with new disc and more adjustment on the methanol plant with a new nozzle, a new check valve, and a few checked on the engine.
So what's this little thing here? This is not an Allison.
Yeah.
What engine is it?
It's a Ford V6 from Capri car.
Okay,
2.9 liter.
9.9 V6 Ford, yeah, turbocharged. This is your little project, I think?
Yeah, it's my little project with Emanuele and Diego, and it's a modified garden, 600 kilos.
So this is the little mini rock class that we have in Europe, kind of the beginners, made for European engines. This, in fact, is a Cologne-built engine that was also sold in the States. I know they had them in the Ford Bronco. Here it was coming in the passenger cars and the Ford Capri. Yep. Pretty interesting rear end, I will show you. So what's pretty interesting, even though it's only a 600 kilo tractor, they put a Ford 9 engine here with planetaries. Billet intake in the fold. Thanks for showing us around, and see you on the track soon.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. And the Tornado team took me to their sponsor because they wanted to show what they are doing here in the area. And we're at the company Mecalfast. Hello. Let's first start with who you are and where we are.
We are in Alfonsine, close to the city of Ravenna, and I am Paolo Tomaselli, the managing director of the company Mecalfast. Mecalfast is steel carpentry, and we are specialized in high-strength steel, so-called Veldox, different kind of application, mainly for machinery, and we treat medium heavy carpentry and parts. We are on a surface of 8,000 square meter.
Okay.
And I will show you the company. This is the department of the carpentry. There is the benches for the assemblers.
The welding tables.
Welding tables, and we have two different kind of figure. There is the carpentry for assembling the parts, and there is a welders only for welding.
Okay.
All our welders are patented and well trained for the special application that we
I
have.
could see that over there. The welds look very well.
Our clients are famous name in the field. We are working, for example, for the German company Liebherr, for the group Liebherr.
Yeah, cranes. Then you have to have
Cranes,
certified.
concreting machines.
Yes.
Here there are some parts for this concreting machine,
Yeah.
and also for the American client EUSM. They are manufacturing. We are manufacturing for them the drilling rig in Veldox, because most of the company still doesn't apply the Veldox in their manufacturing process. And as you can see,
Yeah, all the
all
welds.
the welding is very accurate.
Very accurate and
well done.
all tested. Yeah,
Yes,
it's gotta be.
everything is tested. For example, here is in white because we make the magnetoscopic test.
Yes.
And all the parts that you can see, there are a little bit the gel for the ultrasonic test.
Let's see.
But the final result is also
Yes.
the best that
Yes.
you can.
If you have to weld this, then it's better you weld down and
Yes,
not around
yes.
and just.
And
turn
you
the
don't
pieces.
have so many joints and
Yes.
connection, and you start from A to B without big troubles.
So they use those turntables over there to make round welds. Okay.
Linear welding, this one, two,
Yeah.
and here you can see the final result. That is very accurate.
Oh yes.
There is no connection. And
Very nice.
this is the reason why from Germany and from USA companies comes here. To
People
us.
who can do that are not very easy to find.
No.
And
It's very difficult also to find people and employees that are on this level because
takes a lot of training, a lot of patience.
patient. You have also to think about that the machine is not covered or filled or something like this.
Yeah.
And the quality and also the price is under your eyes. And if you see a well done welding, you also
Yes.
can appreciate and
Yes. If you
and
pay the money, you want to
estimate
know what for what.
yeah. Not invent, but we modify application. For example, here we have our welding station.
Yep.
The welder used his hands only to move the joystick, and we put together the turntable with the manipulator, and thanks to the joystick, the operator makes some piece of art, let me say, because
Yeah.
look at this. Look at this is.
Yes.
It's like welded by a robot, but
Yes.
it's welded by a welder. This is the beginning, but must be clean and
This is still hot.
so on. But
Well, he's still not done.
no, it's not 100% done.
Could be like that.
If you tell to our welder, please be faster and don't care about, they are not able because they think it's not good job.
No,
And
no.
we have also the mechanical workshop with some machines. This is the base frame for a crane,
Yeah.
like finger cranes or F cranes.
Yes.
This is our last new machine.
Yep.
Is 16-meter long and high 4.5 meters. And in Italy there are 5-6 machines like this, no more.
But that's a mill, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mini machine. The 5 axles.
Yeah. 5. Yeah, right. Turning head. Jesus. Yeah.
Now we are preparing the foundation for another machine.
Yeah.
With 2 turntable. That it will be faster. That in the meantime that the operator milling one part, we can load the other one, and we can be a little bit faster because the 2 machines are not enough. What we are improving, because we have to build some new facilities because the space is not enough, and fortunately the work is growing year by year. So we are in the Mecalfast company, but this is a smaller one that we own, this company, and is specialized in calibers, telescopic calibers for the drilling rigs.
Okay.
Specialized because, like for Mecalfast, we are using different kind of steel. This is the bigger difference between us and our competitors. And by the torque and the working condition, our experience is thanks to the different material, and we can get high quality products. This is steel.
Yeah.
There is Ardox for wear, and Weldox also for wear, and also for the mechanical properties. We are working especially with SSAB. This is from Sweden, or Voestalpine from Germany, or Thyssen. Mainly European. Because from India, China, Turkey, the quality is not the same. Especially if you have to bend the parts, it's completely different material. We start from the naked tubes and we apply all the parts that must be applied. The square part where is attached the tools is 39 nickel chrome. It's very high quality material. But if you have to compare to the rest, this is also the best that you can get. If the client wants, we are able also to assemble the machine, and we deliver a machine already mounted. I can show you a product. This kind of machine is called filter presses. This kind of machine squeeze the mud in order to separate the liquid to the solid. And the water is renewed, is filtered, and so. And the solid parts go to the discarica. This is the machine. We starting from the steel. We weld the parts, we paint the parts, and we assembling all together. And we start and we make also a test inside. And this machine go directly to the final client. This is a middle range. And for example, for April, we have to produce 3 machines, 2.5 meter. For 2.5 meter is very big machine with more than 150 plates. So it's also a long machine.
On the price,
it's unbelievable. Much more you are working and much more you are growing. And it's never enough. One year ago we deal to buy this new milling machine, and 2022 we bought 4 machines. It's incredible. Because outside you cannot find the same level of quality.
No, that's the thing,
Companies are used to stay in a low range, And when you go outside and the parts are arriving, you can see the big difference, and also our client see the difference.
I remember that.
And after painting, you can see better also the defects. You know?
Yes. Yeah, that's incredible.